Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Fuck you, Hervane.
He's around the front, it looks like.
Got a pistol, eh?
He's throwing something, like a smoke or something? Or is that his loadout? What the fuck is he doing?
Supply box marked. Secure the package.
I only saw one, too.
I disabled the vehicle.
Evil genius.
Trophy system online.
Oh, I got him.
Wanted
Oh,
target
shit.
neutralized. Well done.
Yeah, I got an assist.
You rocket launchered him?
Yeah, dude.
Without his fangs like the boogie to the boogie, without the boogie bang like college.
That train's kinda slow.
Is
Oh, there it comes.
Like a tree that's
Yeah, it is kinda slow.
Like going up and
Maybe-
up and down.
maybe stay ahead of it a
Just
little.
like without the
Yeah.
sound
I'll stay in the car. You guys try it out.
The freak, everybody just rock
Bro, what are you
ass
doing?
to the beat.
No,
I thought you were about to.
no way.
Look at what was that?
What are you talking about? I'm letting you guys off. I'm good.
We need to get all the way up to the dam somehow. Even though there's a helicopter there, which means they're
Guys to
there
our right.
already,
Guys to our
but-
right. Watch out.
Head for target location.
Get there.
Almost
Got the loadout.
downed one. He's like,
Nice.
dang.
he
Nice.
said, God damn.
Is it?
Yeah, I'd be pissed at that too.
Yeah, I don't blame. And munch and just crush him.
Down one.
It's alright. I'm gonna try to kill this guy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yes, sir.
Let me see it. Let me see it.